From the moment you step inside, you're drawn to the breathtaking westerly water views, where unforgettable sunsets, peaceful pond frontage, and a beautifully wooded setting create a true New England retreat. This property feels like a private woodland garden retreat. Artful stone walkways lead through mature plantings and down towards the water, where the dock becomes its own destination. Spend summer afternoons on Bear Hill Pond, take in the quiet beauty of the shoreline, or watch the eagle nests on nearby island just offshore. It's a setting that feels both rare and deeply personal. An expansive screened porch extends the living space outdoors, creating the perfect place for morning coffee, summer dinners, or quiet evenings overlooking Bear Hill Pond. Designed with the quiet sophistication and warmth, the home offers both the comfort of a private sanctuary and the presence needed for elegant entertaining. Banks of windows, 117 in total, fill the home with natural light and frame the surrounding landscape from nearly every angle. The chef's kitchen is beautifully equipped for those who love to cook, gather, and host. With a spacious layout, duplicate appliances, abundant storage, and notably stylish oversized refrigerator, it's designed to handle everything from intimate dinners to larger celebrations with ease. For buyers searching for luxury waterfront real estate in Harvard, a pondfront home near Boston, or a private New England retreat with unforgettable views, this property delivers a lifestyle that's both refined and wonderfully relaxed. The main-level primary suite offers exceptional convenience and privacy with direct porch access, multiple walk-in closets, and a peaceful connection to the surrounding views. The flow of the home feels effortless, inviting, and connected to the water at every turn. The thoughtful design adds character throughout, including a third-level crow's nest, window seats in multiple rooms, a soundproof music and media room, and radiant heat in the bathroom floors. A Showpiece waterfront home on Bear Hill Pond with this level of privacy, character, and proximity to Boston is truly something special.